Greetings, friends, and welcome back to Backyard Astronomy with Gemini Brett. It is 9:23 p.m. on Friday, Venus's Day, September 13th, 2024, Friday the 13th. Some say 13 is a moon number. We see it in Venus cycles, and it does show up in moon cycles in regards to moon moving about 13 degrees per day. That movement has now brought her far enough from the sun to show the shape of the waxing trine. A little bit more full than that. Actually, moon right now is about 126 degrees from the sun. It's gonna be a shorter video today. I'm still in the lab editing the long jam from yesterday, where I taught you how to find the angles of the chart in space with your face. And I also wanted to be able to zoom in and really show you this phase. I mean, look at how much moon smile has grown from that sliver crescent we saw some, 9 days ago, I think. And it won't be too long from now before moon is full. Of course, when moon is full, moon rises at sunset and then culminates in the middle of the night. So do you see how when moon's waxing, that means that moon will reach the midheaven at a later time each night? I should say each day or night. I mean, when the moon is new and moon's conjoint sun, that means, of course, that moon is culminating when sun does. And so moon would be at the midheaven at midday, as sun, of course, always is, right? And then as moon waxes away from the sun will culminate, and then the moon will culminate. The sun will set, and then the moon will set, right? And once we start getting some distance, some great distance between the two like this, we have moon culminating well after sunset, which is happening now. Okay, so let's zoom out here and see if we can bring in enough light to show more of what's happening around us. Okay, so you can see over here on the right the Archer constellation. Remember, the moon was there yesterday, south of Nunki, right? And so moon has moved this far. We are standing in this place that we found works the meridian on this tree. So moon is just about to culminate. At this time yesterday, moon had peaked and was definitely on the way down. This camera, while it lets me zoom, doesn't get as much light as the other one does, but I should be able to show you, I believe, the horns of the sea goat. And I think it's a focus thing, so I'll just point to them with my fingers here. The horns of the sea goat are here. You can kind of see them maybe through the blur. They're 4 degrees tropical Aquarius. Moon right now is around 27 degrees tropical Capricorn. So add 13 to that and we're at 10 tropical Aquarius. So tomorrow, and I'll have the other camera out, we'll definitely see that the moon has passed beneath the horns of the sea goat and is on the way to the fishy parts of that strange being. Okay, so as promised, short one today in this journey where we are following the moon from sliver crescent smile all the way to full O, which in this particular Virgo lunation of 2024 will mean partial lunar eclipse. So I'm really excited to show that to you when we are there. Let me just say as we close that typically it takes 10 days between new moon and waxing trine, and another 5 until full. So the moon-sun opposition, those are very rough numbers, and again it changes from one lunation to the next because orbits are not circular, they are elliptical. But we can expect to see full moon in about 5 days, and in fact it will be in 4. The full moon, the partial lunar eclipse in the sign of tropical Pisces will align on Tuesday, September 17th. I will see you there, and clouds allowing, and each of the nights between.